but I'm weak. And what's wrong with that? Boy, oh boy, I love it when I fall for that. I'm weak.
Heyo guys, what is popping? It is Gertie Venture back here with another video, and today, sorry guys for the sun in the background, but yeah guys, so today I wanted to thank you guys. We're gonna probably be doing a mini bike video today too. Oh my, what happened to the fence? My God. I'm gonna cut my hands. Okay, well, but anyway, yeah guys, today I want to thank you guys, like I said, for 4,000 views. Thank you guys a lot, because it's a pretty big goal. And I remember when I hit 3,000, I remember when I hit 2,000, I remember when I hit 1. So thank you guys. Well, I meant 1,000, not 1,000. I meant 1,000, not 1. But yeah, I think you guys know what I mean. But yeah guys, so today we're gonna be doing a mini bike video. So if you guys remember a couple videos back, I'll probably link it in the description for you. I first started this mini bike up for you guys. I haven't done a video on it yet of me riding it, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. And yeah, so hopefully it's pretty cool. And yeah, comment down below if you guys want us to straight pipe, because let me get it real quick. Yeah, me. Okay. I'll see if you guys know somewhere an army shirt. Well, not a flag shirt, not an army shirt. Okay. Well, yeah, guys. Here's a straight pipe that we had on the go-kart. Actually, I wore this shirt when I showed this straight pipe not on that go-kart, but on the other go-kart. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys remember when we had this on the go-kart, let me put it back. Yeah, if you guys remember that when we had it on the go-kart, roll the clip. Hey guys, that was it was really loud, and that's why I always wear a helmet, because if not, I'd be deaf. Especially if we put a straight pipe on this thing. Like, honestly, like, it's gonna be even louder, because like the vibrations like go into the seat. But yeah, today's a really nice day. That's why I'm gonna get a montage, because you know, why not? Like I said, I like to get montages on nice days. Also, another thing that I want to tell you guys, I'll make this a meme. Why I said that? Okay. But anyway, if you guys remember the birdhouse, I don't know if you guys saw it too much, but I think you guys should have seen it in many videos. I don't know. I have to check. But if you guys remember the birdhouse, we actually cut it down the other day. And I'll show you where it is. It's dry. It's like dry rotted wood. I can't talk anymore, bro. This is the pole where it was pretty heavy, actually, if I'm being honest. It actually is a really heavy pole, but I did it by myself. Yeah, okay. And oh yeah, the bird's house is right here. Yeah, guys, this is the birdhouse. It's dry rotted. If I punch it, see, like, okay, yeah, I almost just broke it. Straight up, I almost just broke it. But anyway, yeah, guys, let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, we're gonna be getting a startup right now. I know you guys probably can't really hear me that good, but yeah. Hey guys, we're back. Sorry guys if I sound weird. I have a Jolly Rancher in my mouth. So yeah. Are we zoomed in? Oh no. Okay. But anyway, yeah guys, thank you guys for 4,000 views. Also, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you guys haven't, drop a like and comment down below what you guys want to see me do for any new videos. And yeah guys, guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay easy fam, stay positive fam. Guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!